Okay, friends. Today is the day. I am doing like a pretty long trail that I've never been on before. I've been looking at the map and I saw a video of like someone who did it like 3 years ago, and we're gonna see what happens, and hopefully I don't get lost. I don't think I will. But my girlie is better. All is good at home, so I don't mind taking my time through this trail. And I'm like excited. Let's do this! I'm excited. Are you?
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Look at this massive tree. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at this thing. What? That is a beautiful tree. I love it. Okay, friends, so this is where I've come from. And now we are at a turning point because there is this trail here, and then there, the Upper Deer Trail. It connects to other trails around here, but I also think it goes to the road, which I'm not trying to do. I'm pretty sure that one would take you out to the road at some point. I don't know, but we're not trying that today. I am going to continue down this trail and then take a turn that should lead me to like some pretty sweet spots that is along the Lakeshore Trail, but again, it could be super muddy, marshy. I'm hoping not. So far, like, a lot of the trail is like that would normally be muddy is icy because it's cold. So yeah, let's check it out. I'm excited. Okay, so I am going to be cutting this hike a lot shorter than I thought I would. It is way colder than I thought it would be for today. So yeah, we are not gonna do the whole, it should have come out to almost like 4.5 miles, but oh no, not today. Not today. But I've still got my ground. Like, I know where I'm going for the next time I do it. I was a little bit afraid that I could get lost. But yeah, it's been good. It's just super freezing cold. So I'm gonna head back and try to make the most out of what I can for this video for you guys. All right. My fingers are cold. Start off on a positive note. The hike was good. I got to the point where I was afraid I might get lost, but I didn't. But at the same time, the weather being just super cold, it wasn't supposed to be as cold, at least I thought. So I didn't do the full round trip trail. Plus I was stopping a lot. And when you have your hands out with, a camera or a phone, I guess it gets colder faster instead of just like walking. But I feel good about doing this trail. I'll wait till it gets much warmer. I'd rather go to the Larch Tree Trail, honestly. This trail, it needs to be more springtime and green and leafed out. But I feel good about it. It's just I didn't do the